In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure payment processing in Clio Payments. We'll set up a payment profile so your invoices clearly communicate when payment is due, whether there's a grace period, and how interest or discounts are handled. This helps your firm stay consistent and gives clients a transparent, professional experience. Start by opening Settings. This is where all the global preferences for your account live, including how you bill and collect payments. From there, select Billing. The billing area controls invoice behavior, payment expectations, and how those details appear to clients. Next, open the Payment Profiles tab. Payment profiles are reusable rule sets for due dates, discounts, and interest. Think of them as templates you can apply across clients and matters to save time and enforce consistent policies. Click Add Payment Profile. You'll be asked to enter a profile name. Choose something descriptive that your team will recognize at a glance, ideally a name that reflects the type of work, a department, or a standard policy. Clear naming prevents confusion later and makes it easy to pick the right profile when you're assigning it. Now select your payment terms. You can choose due upon receipt if you want invoices to be payable immediately. This is a straightforward option that removes ambiguity and often speeds up cash flow. Or choose custom payment terms to set a defined number of days after the invoice date. Custom terms can be helpful if you have negotiated timelines or want to standardize net payment cycles across different practice areas. Configure your payment rules. Set a grace period if you want to allow extra days before an invoice is treated as late. Add an early payment discount to encourage clients to pay ahead of schedule. A small percentage can significantly improve collections. Then set the interest rate for overdue balances. Make sure your rate aligns with firm policy and applicable regulations in your jurisdiction, and ensure these terms are clearly communicated to clients. These choices drive what appears on your invoices, so accuracy and consistency matter. When everything looks good, click Create Profile. Your new profile is now saved and can be edited later if your policies change. Finally, apply the payment profile to the appropriate client or matter. Assigning at the client level affects all future matters for that client, while assigning at the matter level gives you more granular control. Either way, the profile you choose will determine how due dates, discounts, and interest are calculated on future invoices. And that's how to configure payment processing in Clio Payments.